Hey there, little artists! Are you ready to draw something super colorful and super happy? Today, we're going to draw a rainbow sunflower with a smiley face.
Yay!
Grab your favorite black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a big circle right in the middle. This will be the face of our sunflower. Now inside the circle, let's make it look like a happy emoji. Draw two big cute eyes and a smiling mouth. Awesome! Now let's draw 8 big petals all around the circle. Make them nice and round like flower petals. Great job! Now from the bottom of the circle, draw a long straight stem going down. Time to draw the flower pot. Draw a rounded U shape at the bottom of the stem and close the top with a curve. Last step. Draw 2 big leaves on each side of the stem. One on the left and one on the right. Nice job, everyone! Our rainbow sunflower drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make the drawing pop. Whoa! It's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's bring this flower to life with rainbow colors. Show your color pens and say the colors one by one. Light pink color.
Wow!
Light yellow color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
You did an amazing job today, little artist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with your friends. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep drawing and keep smiling.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.